Hey, what's going on everybody? WatchRaja here, and today we're talking about 10 unbelievable new inventions. Before we get into it, if you could just hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all types of new content we're uploading daily. We're not going in any particular order or ranking, but we will be counting down today, so make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing inventions I've ever seen. I don't know much about these products, but we will be watching and discovering things in real time together, so let's go. Alright, let's get right into it. Number 10. Let's see. This is the Biski. The Biski is truly unique as a single seat or single plus pillion twin jet HSA motorcycle. It's the world's first in many ways. Essentially, this looks like just a motorcycle that goes from land to water to a jet ski. I don't want to get too technical about this stuff, but this looks pretty cool. I mean, you can just kind of drive on the water like a motorcycle, so that's legit. Alright, let's move on to number 9. Number 9, we got the Merry automated growing and uncompromising design. This is a home growing made easy. This is looks to be just some type of let's see what we got here. You know, definitely if you're into growing plants inside, this is something that, you know, I know a lot of people are innovating these days. Definitely something. I grow plants inside my apartment, so, you know, having to be in the sun, I can't really leave them out and about. I have to leave them on the windowsill too. But it says this one has a ceiling light, a backlight. Ooh, it looks dope as hell. The design, brand new air filters. It looks like a humidor for plants. Odor removal. That's legit. Yeah, I mean, this looks like something if you're into growing plants, you should definitely look into. Why don't we get into our number 8 pick? Our number 8 pick is, this is the Morris Zero, the first ultra-fast countertop vacuum tumbler dryer in the world. Reinventing clothes dryers. Ultra-fast countertop tumbler dryer for any home, 15-minute drive, vacuum technology. Look at this sleek design. I mean, I live in a studio apartment, so having one of these dryers would be legit. If you could actually have it wash your clothes too, that'd be cool. Looks like you can just use this on your countertop. I love the design of it. I wonder if it just stays there or something you put away. But 15 minutes to dry stuff, you can't really go wrong. I wonder how much weight it could actually fit. Okay, so this is interesting. I wonder if I'd be able to, because I go to the laundromat to wash my clothes just like this is showing, to be able to, you know, maybe take them wet and bring them home and dry. I don't know if I'd do that. I wish they made something compatible with the washer as well. But why don't we move on to number 7? Okay, number 7 is the couch bunker. Imagine a fire-rated gun safe hidden inside a custom-built couch with bulletproof cushions with carry straps, so they can be used on the fly as a shield. Now there is one. It's this, the couch bunker. Hercules Research Corp released this. Let's see what it says. This is patent pending, is available in a wide range of styles, leather and fabric, covering creating choices of game room, casual to living room, formal. I mean, I know it seems like I have a lot of these types of products, but I got a couch from IKEA that kind of has like the same kind of storage. I mean, this one looks like it's specifically made to be a gun safe. I wonder if it it has a lock on it. So it's like one of those couches with storage and stuff, but I mean, I think this is pretty practical. You don't have to go running to go find it. It's also hidden in the house. It's not just like a vault just sitting in some room in your house. So I definitely think it's very smart to keep it in your couch like that. No one would ever think of looking there, especially if it's locked. So maybe they'll pick it up and take it, but that's all I can see really happening. Let's go to this number 6. Number 6 is the Kosari coffee mug set and warmer. So let's see what this is. It's about making coffee. This person, wants to warm up their coffee. It looks like the mug is, they made stuff like this before, but this is really cool if you like work from home or at your office and you maybe don't drink your coffee fast, or it's been sitting for a little bit, you know, it's kind of just always there, ready to go. Especially, this looks like something for if you're one of those people that drinks coffee like all day long. It's got the flat surface, very sleek. I wonder if it needs to stay on the charger or not, but it shows you how hot it gets, which is pretty cool. 24 watts. I mean, this could be for soup too, I guess. If you're really into coffee, I definitely recommend this product. If you're interested, I probably have a link down below for you to check out, to buy if you're wanting this product. Let's move on to number 5. Number 5 is very cool faucet lights. Glowing faucet. Cool, inexpensive, and an amazing LED hydro-powered gadget for your faucet. It can be put in colors of green, I think, and blue and red. You just kind of like install this at the bottom of your sink, it looks like. I'm probably going to try to get one of these just because it kind of, you know, sets it off. Let's see. They're just showing the installing. Let's see some colors here. Turn it on. Looks like it turns blue for cold. That's legit. Let's see what it does for if we turn on the hot. Oh, this is just color thing. But I think it does do like sensitivity to like heat if it's cold or warm and stuff. So, or if it gets colder, it gets brighter. Warmer or hotter, it gets redder. So that's really cool. It looks really easy to install, and also I think it doesn't require any batteries. So look into this video right here, just kind of very technical. So check it out. I think I have a link down below if you are interested in buying one of these. Let's move on to number 4. Our number 4 pick is the Phantom robotic chessboard made of real wood. Okay, so I'm digging this. This is looking legit. Let's see if we can make this a little bigger for us to check out. Alright, if you're into chess, this looks like something for you. Enjoy little details of this well-crafted physical set. Beautiful weighted pieces, real wood construction. Online chess is definitely convenient and offers possibilities a physical board just can't. So I think this is something where you can control with your phone. You can play with people online and it moves their pieces for them, so it's connected to some app, I guess. You can play on screen. I believe it's voice activated, so you can just move the pieces, you know, with your voice just by sitting back. I think this is very versatile. I mean, it does kind of take away from the traditional game, but I think, you know, if you're into that type of stuff, I would definitely recommend you know, checking out this board. I'm not sure how much it goes for, but let's see if it says it. No, it doesn't. It looks like it's like a Kickstarter project, so I think it's a cool idea. Definitely check it out if you're into that chess. Queen's Gambit on Netflix right now, so check that out. It's a good show. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 is the Rocket Skates by Action R. Wearable mobility, remote free, strap-in, smart electric skates. Alright, let's see what these babies do. When I was growing up, I actually like as a project when I was a kid, I think I was maybe in 6th grade or 7th grade, I had to make an invention, and it was something similar to this, but these rocket skates look pretty fun. They're motorized, I guess, and kind of just go without having to really push. 4 brushless, honeycomb structure, lightweight. They say lightweight, but 7 pounds is pretty heavy. Let's see. I mean, this guy's cruising around. I mean, I could definitely see these where I'm from. You know, we got places where people use those scooters or motorized boards and stuff. I haven't seen one of these yet, but they're coming there. I think this kind of takes away from actual skating. I don't know. That's what I would think. Going at the same time here. Looks fun, I dig it. Let's get into number 2. Number 2 is the Tao New self-sealing and changing trash can. Now, if you hate taking out your trash, this is definitely for you. Self-sealing, self-changing, automated technology engineered to keep your hands clean. Removable refill rings. Each refill ring contains 25 durable liners, each lasting approximately 1 month. Advanced sealing technology. The built-in thermoplastic sealing technology automatically seals the trash bag inside to guarantee no spilling or exposure to any bad odor. Rechargeable battery, full charge that will last for months. I mean, damn, she's dumping water in here. Let's see how this thing actually changes. It's a long video, but let's see the process. Okay. Pulls up the bag, clamps it, pulls down, ties it. And what, you just pull it out? See, I don't understand these little trash cans though. Like, why don't they make them a little bigger? I don't know. But why don't we move on to our number one pick? This one right here I think is really cool. And I think it could save lives. It's the Stop Sleep anti-sleep alarm for drivers. This thing, I mean, if you ever go on long road trips or you just get tired while sleeping, throw this on your fingers. Warns up to 5 minutes before drowsiness. I think it's tapped into your heart. Very interesting. I was just watching a movie, I think it's called Beckett, on HBO Max or something, or Netflix, and the guy gets in an accident because he falls asleep and he ends up killing his wife. So spoiler alert, sorry about that. But yeah, I mean, this would have probably saved his wife's life if he had one of these. So I think this is going to be available on Amazon. So if you're interested in one of these as a gift or something, definitely click the link below. So yeah, that kind of wraps up our countdown for unbelievable new inventions. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think of these unbelievable new inventions in the comments below. Check out these other great clips from WatchRaja, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this one and more. We'll talk to you soon.